Well, let's now go to Beijing to hear more from political analyst Xu Qinduo. Xu, lots of people are quite shocked by this length of sentence for Jimmy Lai, especially at his age. Was this length expected?
Well, I think if you look at the accounts, for his offenses, basically by colluding with foreign power, I think that's obviously, as said by the court over the three judges, as a severe offense under the national security law. And also, I think the central government or the Hong Kong court, through means of law, basically to demonstrate that if you are involving in acts and behavior against the national security, if your behavior somehow endanger the national security, then there will be a severe punishment. I think that's also a warning to future rioters or anyone dare to violate the law. This is, the Hong Kong, the territory. They see this as a serious situation, because it's not only about Hong Kong, it's mostly about the security of the nation, of the Chinese nation. I think there's also, I would say, yes, the two. One is about his behavior, his illegal behavior. The second is also a warning message to those who supported and who involved in the case, or who probably are planning for future riot, future acts against the government, against the national security. Yes, that's a message.
You mentioned there that this could be a warning. Some internationally are saying that this marks the end of free press in Hong Kong. Are the Communist Party trying to make an example of Jimmy, would you say?
Well, I'm not sure they will make Jimmy Lai a case. Many people say, he's like a media tycoon. He made a fortune by, having this Apple Daily. Frankly speaking, if you are living in Hong Kong, if you live in China, if you know this newspaper, it's a tabloid. It's with a very low taste, and he made money out of that. And he hate China. He migrated to Hong Kong many years ago. He never said anything positive about China. So he's against China, and that's very clear.